Hey, I'm Chef Bugsy and welcome to Get Veganized, a channel that takes meat recipes and makes them vegan. Before we get started, I'd like to remind you to subscribe below, like and comment. Alright, let's get started. Okay, welcome back to Get Veganized. This is Chef Bugsy and today we're going to make Tempeh Ribs. To start off, I'm going to add a half cup of veggie broth. Putting it in my saucepan here that I'm turning on to medium heat. Then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of liquid smoke. A teaspoon of onion powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper. A 1/4 cup of soy sauce. A 1/4 cup of ketchup. And a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. We're going to stir this up and bring it to a boil, and then we're going to add the tempeh. I made this yesterday and it came out fabulous. It was real saucy, had a little kick to it. I put some peppercorns on there, black crushed peppercorns. Really set it off. Delicious, out of this world delicious. I've been doing a lot with sauces and I think this is going to be a keeper. You know, I made the sweet and sour for the tempeh. I made the General Tso's for the tofu. I did a peanut butter sauce with tofu. And you can see that in the other videos that I have on the channel. I can smell the liquid smoke, giving that smoky flavor. Here we go, starting to boil. All right, now we put our tempeh in. And I have already cut mine. And I cut it the long way and then in half, in 4 pieces. So we'll lay this up in there. And turn down the heat to medium again. Make sure these get covered. And you need to watch it so it doesn't boil over. Now we're just going to let them simmer for about 3 or 4 minutes. I made some fabulous baguette bread, or baguette, that was on, it's a vegan recipe, and that's what I'm going to put this on. I just toast 4 pieces. It's going to come out great. Now I can smell the maple flavor. It smells great. These are going to be excellent. Now I'd like to put a little fresh cracked pepper in there. And make sure you get it on the tempeh. All right, let's give them a turn over, flip them. And we're going to pepper them again. All right, now I'm going to take the tempeh out. Put it on this plate here. Doesn't it look great? And as this sauce cools, it'll thicken up. So there it is. We're getting ready to put it on some bread, on the baguettes, and I'll let you know how it tastes. We'll stir it here. It's starting to thicken up nicely. I'm going to drizzle a little on the sandwich. So here we go. They're on the baguettes. A little sauce here. Oh yeah. Doesn't that look great? This is an easy recipe, doesn't take long. Great quick dinner. All right, let me put these together and I'll be right back to taste it. All right, here it is. Here we go. Looks juicy. I've done it again. Another fabulous dish. I'm gonna finish this up for lunch. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Post me a comment if you want to see something or you want me to make something different. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.
Hey, you!